Welcome back to another video. I just did one, but I want to do some more stages. I can't get over this. We're going to go into Heavenly Tower now. Because I can't find ways to get CPU. I do not want any of this. From Your Junior is too hard. Attack of the Lonely Hearts. I think this is party gift. From a childhood friend. That's the other video. What's on From Your Senpai? Because I need a rare ticket. Speed up. Cat jobs. Cat ticket. This song From Your Senpai. Oh yeah, max deployable cats too. That's easy. I definitely don't want to cry right now. I actually don't though. Just in case these levels start getting harder. Chocolate Waldos. So I think I'm going to choose my favorite mix. Can and Healer. Because while these guys are frozen, Can will be able to get some attacks on them. Because Healer is able to freeze. I have 2 awakened units. Whoa! Did I see that correctly? No, this guy can one-shot all my stuff. Oh, okay, he's dead. What about Chocolate Waldos? Okay, he can't do that. I should put out a Garu next. Bro, just like let Can attack. Don't you like think? Okay, we're gonna die. We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. Yeah, we lost. We don't need the cat ticket. Why was my screen black? Oh, look at the kitties back there. How many units do I have? Oh, clicked on the wrong thing. How many units do I have? I have 108 units, and I've met 113 enemy units. 16 meow medals, and this is my profile picture. 600 cat food and a rare chicken. Oh, I need that right now. And I get to use as much speed ups as I like. Okay, let's go. Okay, Uber super rare. These are all of my Ubers, first form and second form. So right now, Dark Aegis Garu, Dark Beast Lord Garu, Kachi, Kachiyama. Ultimate Lasvas. These are all my super rare. Not all my super rares. I have more super rares right here. These are my rares. Hold up. I have 2 eggs. Oh, Cinnabar egg. I keep forgetting. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at Garu for right now. Oh, I have it on Crazy Girls. Dang it. There we go. For a second, I thought I had 2 eggs. I was just like, how did I get the other egg? But no, Cinnabar egg. True form. Second form, I mean. Crazy Titan's on, but I already beat it. Growing green. Growing green. Okay, what happens if I do the second one? Okay, so I guess it's just the same thing. Mercstoria attack. Did I already beat Mystery, or am I even gonna do it? Nothing. I have 2 of them? Okay, cool. Row 1. Let's go in with it. I think it's only 3 meat shields, can and healer. Yep. So, no Titans. So I can't use Kai, Lasvas, Garu, Bahamut, or Titan. Okay, they're like actually kind of scaring me now. Like, why aren't you guys sending anything out? Actually, I'm allowed to use meat shields, which is perfect. Okay, it's one of you guys. Oh. I didn't know Can one-shot these. Yeah! heck? That's why I made that noise. Okay, she's frozen. Can killed her. Rich cat ticket. We'll roll the cat ticket after. Last one, please be some good rewards. 300 or less. Okay, good. So we just got to beat this, then we get a rare ticket. What did he say? So I got to beat this using my first row and one person from my bottom row. That shouldn't be too hard. Okay, why did I say something? This is going to be hard now. See, I was right. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Well, we'll have to see. They're just killing my meat shields. That's all they're doing. Okay, when they have that base, you know you're like, they're going to kill you. They're going to come out there and kill you. Yeah, what is that? Is that a dark flame katana Japanese master looking type guy? I don't know at this point. Okay, what is Battle Cats coming to? Battle Cats used to be so nice and peaceful. Now they're having dark flame people. Okay, that just sounded... Okay, I'm not going to say that. Just sounded weird. Okay, I might actually not be able to beat this. There's another healer. Can just needs to get under there and do something. Crazy Titan. Okay, Crazy Titan actually did something for a second. What time is it? Because you guys might hear my last video, my grandma say, "What time is your appointment?" I have an appointment today, and it's at 3:30. So that's why I'm checking the time. It's only gonna be 2, so I have an hour. Okay, they're actually pushing us back. I can't use Garu or nobody. I can't use Garu. I'm sad. I'm really, really sad. I wanted to use Garu. Okay, she knocked back and slow. I need a healer out here to freeze. Okay, there's our healer, but he's just going to go out there and die like he normally does. See, healer just is one shot. We're going to eventually beat this, except it's going to take a little while. Man, where's Bullet Train when you need him? 3,000 cents or less. Oh, she's 3,900. About to say, we could use Kai for this. I realized Kai costs 3,900 and something cat cents or whatever. We're getting rid of these collab units. Okay, there we go. Crash Titan. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, surprisingly, how is Crash Titans actually getting hits in here? Okay, now he's dead. Never realized how good Crash Titan was until now. So I use him. Because I was reading some of my comments, get rid of Ururan. Yeah, I realized, Ururan's not that good. None of the Stories of Legend reward units are good at all, I'm pretty sure. If I'm correct, none of them are good. Why am I saying things twice today? Now I gotta wait just a little bit. Are you guys like immune waves? Whippy. Whippy. Okay, we knocked him back. Let's go. Okay. Okay, now it's just her we need to get rid of. I've been in this fight for a while, so let's see if I still get the rare ticket. Wave attacks can almost kill that guy. Okay, we have some cans coming out. Oh yeah, let's go! We killed that guy. That wasn't really too hard. It just takes time. Yeah, guys, this level isn't just hard. It's just like, it just takes time. Still got the rare ticket. Woo. I'm rolling that. Okay, I can turn you over right now. Oh, I got a super rare. It's pretty cool. Citrally. Whatever that is. Okay, that's actually a good looking unit. Okay, this is actually a cool looking unit. I'm not even lying. That was actually a cool looking unit. I wasn't expecting to get a super rare. I was only expecting a rare. Where is this? Oh. Knocks back and slows red and black. Okay, so could use this for XP Mega Blitz if I ever try it. I tried it. I just like get destroyed. And we also have a cat ticket still. Super rare. Towards the end. She's all the way in the end. My super rare list. Okay, so all the collab units are going to be after all my crazed units. I was not expecting that. Ooh, X-Cat. I need either a cat or a wall cat. 94 cat food. We're so close to 100. I want to do mystery again. Are the conditions the same? Yes, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they're the same. But the last one is kind of hard, especially if you're going in the second time. So no can. Once again, only 3 units I can use, which are my normal units, special units. I'm only allowed to use 2 special units and 1 normal unit. Okay, so basically what I just need to do is I just need to start spamming walls. It's funny because you just hit him with an axe and then, oh, sorry, my bad. Oh, yeah, sorry, I keep freezing you. Oh, yeah, sorry again. It's just, like, so funny. So, I said, yeah, I understand, Mom. So, there we go. I'm just trying to spam walls. Okay, so there we go. No, I want to put out a crazed wall, but I can't.
So yeah, so that's it, sister.
A super rare unit. I still can't believe it. For a second, I thought I got an uber super. I was just like, I got an uber super rare. Oh no, it's just a super rare. It's okay. Super rares are still pretty cool, but they're like not as cool as They're not as cool as uber super rares. Bahamut can easily one-shot this. On the last stage, I'm not even allowed to use Bahamut. Most of these collab units are floating, and I like floating units. For ours. There we go. For ours. Oh, are the rewards different? I didn't check the rewards. Okay, never mind. They're still the same. Hold on, guys. 1 second. Okay. There you go. On Holy Wings. Let's go.
Sunshine finally returns with dry conditions Thursday, and it's looking right now like that will last the weekend. High desert today.
I am allowed to actually use.
They will go up to about 4,000 feet by the afternoon. 2,500 feet for your Tuesday.
Okay. So I actually am allowed to use can, which is a yippee. see if I can get another rare ticket. I want to get another unit. My gosh, guys, this is so exciting. This is my first ever collab I've been through while playing, like, on my new account. I had to get a new account because, like, my other one got kind of, like, got deleted. So, like, what happened was my phone broke. Couldn't recover my old account, which had Shishaland Pasaland, Mama Taro, and Tessaland Pasaland. But I think I'm doing better here because I have 8 Ubers, and on there and on my other previous accounts, I only had like 2 Ubers at max. So I'm doing pretty good. Okay, good. We got another research, number 4, and more energy. It's cool. I'm not mad when I get these power-ups. It's just even better when you get a unit. Because you don't know when they're going to evolve into a Racer Cat, Macho Legs Cat, Lion Cat, the Jameer Cat. You don't know when they're going to become in their weird, like, you know, Blade Ritual. 3,000 or less. Actually, I think I'm going to use Dark Laser here instead of Crazy Titan, but I'll put him back in. And I had no awakened forms on my old accounts. I'm going to use Dark Laser here because she's incredibly strong. Hold up. I wonder if I could have used the super rare on here. My dad actually gets mad at me for using Dark Laser because he says she's too expensive, which kind of agree with, but I got crazy units and he doesn't. Why am I roasting my dad, okay? Why am I doing? I gotta stop talking about that. My dad playing Battle Cats. Because see, Dark Laser will help out a lot here. There is the Blade Ritual looking lady. There we go. Dark Laser should help out a little bit. Or will I need Crazy Titan? If I lose, I'm going to need Crazy Titan. I'm going to need Crazy Titan because I'm losing with Dark Laser. She's a little bit less cheaper, but a little bit stronger. That's why I wanted to use her. Because see, the Blade Ritual thing. Okay. Okay, perfect. I stopped their attacks. You guys are supposed to be on my team. You know that, right? Oh, it would be funny playing Legend Quest because they randomize your loadout. If you guys do not know, it would be funny, and imagine they put in one of these collab units. Right now, I have 2 collab units. Because I have Healer and that super rare Catastol, whatever his name is, because I forget it. No! Who's raiding my village? I don't want to lose trophies. Yeah. I'm trying to get 1,000 gems, guys, and that is getting to 3,000 trophies in the builder base. If you guys play Clash of Clans at all. Okay, I'm actually going to need Crazy Titan back in here. Because it's like, okay. I'm going to need back in Crazy Titan. Yeah, I'm going to need Crazy Titan back in. So that's what we're going to need. Or I could revive and not even get the reward at all. So I'm pretty sure if I revive, I won't get the reward at all. But we shall see. I think I'm going to try again with Crazy Titan. If I lose, then that's when I'll revive and, you know, waste all my captures. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, there's another one of those archer things. See, Dark Laser can get some hits in there. Just that she's kind of weak when it comes to her health. Even though she is level 32 or 3. So... Man, whoever said you could touch my Dark Lasers and my cans. Because I know for sure I didn't. I did not give you my permission to touch Dark Laser or can. Okay. Yeah, this is... Okay, my base is getting damaged now from... I want that person in the back. I wonder if you could actually end up getting them. I want it. I want the person in the back. The one who could drop the huge things. 94 cat food. Can you get her? 20 collab units. Only 20? I got Krailtol. I think that's his name. Alois is like a pigeon. I think who that person is. It's either Khaleesi or Serum. Hold on. Actually, it's either Fu or Yoki, because I can tell by the hair colors. So it's either Fu or Yoki, or if that's how you say it correct. Merc Mystery. Forgot to put in Craze Titan Cat. Get out of my loadout. Get out of my loadout, Dark Laser. I was one away. Actually, so my money reloads just a bit fast. I'm gonna use a rich cat. Clicked on the wrong things. Gonna use a rich cat actually. So there we go. Okay, so they're gonna start off with one of these archer things. That's what they're gonna start off with for right now. Before I could actually put out something even good. Whippy! So I could build up my money a little bit. The person who I'm allowed to use with the longest recharge time is of course going to be Healer. This is true form. Healer Cat CC. I think it was just Healer CC. And then before it was just Healer. Chris Titan will help out a lot here. So there we go. Okay, I'm trying my hardest. I want that rare ticket. I want another unit. And I really want that one in the back. I want the one who could bring the portal down. Oh no, we're going to lose again. No. Okay. She's holding katana swords. I like Can because they can actually stay alive for a while. Unlike other units that I have, they just die instantly. Okay, so we killed one person. One of those guys. I want to see who that one in the back is. The one who's bringing down the huge portal. It's the one with like the rings over her head. The orange ones. 1 second, guys. My phone is going to die. And that's where I record all my YouTube videos. So let's just plug this in really fast. I have a fast charger, so I'll be able to go lay down after. I have a fast. We do not talk about what you guys just heard, okay? I have a fast charging charger, so this shouldn't be too much. Whoa, okay. A Garu would actually be helpful out here now if he didn't cost 5,400. Okay, we got a kill on one. Is the one with the rings overhead have like white hair? I can't tell. Okay. I'm pretty sure they do. Oh my gosh. Not you again. Alright guys, so after this we're going to revive and not get the reward. My score is going to be 0. Yeah, my score is like actually going to be 0. Okay. Chris Titan actually helped out a lot, but he has a little while of a recharge time, and Can's gonna reload before him. Okay, yeah, see, they're hitting my base now, which is not fun. There's only collab units on this stage. Dun 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 dun. 85. We'll do it. Okay, wow, these guys are actually pretty fast. What just... Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to get another rare ticket, so I'm just going to leave. Yeah, she has white hair, the girl who could drop like the rings. So I think it's No. Yeah, it's No. The only one. So now I want No. It's weird saying her name because it's just No and No. No. How do you get Merc anyways? You have to get him from one of these stages then. Nah, I don't know anymore. Well, let's try to climb Heavenly Tower just to see what we can get from there. Okay, this video is getting long too, so these videos probably aren't going to go out for a while. But guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for giving me so much views. And a lot of you guys aren't subscribed to watch me, so please go tell your friends and family to subscribe to me, please. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, or even better, by the end of this month. So, after this round, well, I'm going to go and edit these videos. But, anyways, after this, please tell your friends, family about me. And thank you guys so much for me getting almost 1,000 views a video on every single Battle Cats video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I shall see you guys next time. And bye.